Lesson 4, Backup Archive Client Installation. We've installed our server, we've configured the server, and we've installed the Administration Center. Now it's time to install the Backup Archive Client. The Backup Archive Client uses a slightly different wizard. This is the Install Shield wizard. Start the wizard with the setup.exe file. Click Install Products and review the Welcome page. Next, you're going to select your destination folder. Again, it's highly recommended to use the default installation folder. There is a feature for the Backup Archive Client that will do automatic deployment for updates. So once you've installed the client, the Backup Archive Client, TSM can automatically update the version for you. For Linux, you'll need to have your client in the client directory. So this is another reason why you might want to consider using the default directories unless you have a compelling reason not to. Our next screen is Setup Type. Be sure you click Custom. This is because we need to also install the administrative client command line, and you can only do that with the custom setup. Now, if you're installing the client on a system that does not have a server on it, you won't need the administrative command line. The administrative command line installed with the client is used to manage the server. With the custom setup, you have the option to install features such as the administrative client command line. You click the down arrow next to the red X and a picture of a disk is displayed. That means this feature will be installed on the local hard drive. The installation is very quick for our Backup Archive Client. When you're done, you'll get the Wizard Completed screen and just click Finish. This is your setup wizard for your TSM configuration. This is where you can configure the web client. So you've installed the GUI on the system with the client, and configuring the web client gives you the ability to then manage your client over the web. You can manage multiple clients from one location this way. The configuration wizard will also help you set up your TSM client options file. We're going to do this a different way in the lab exercise, where you'll take a sample dsm.opt file, add some information to it, and move it to your Backup Archive Client directory. Either way, this will give you your options file. Here's our automatic deployment for Backup Archive Client updates. You can't do an initial installation of your Backup Archive Client, but you can update the code automatically. We'll go into this in a later unit. Basically, you set this up with the Administration Center so that Tivoli Storage Manager can automatically send update code to your client systems.